Hello and welcome back to this T34 build. Now this is kind of an apology because there is some bits missing because my computer crashed. It actually broke and I had to get a new computer. But so with all that going on, I actually lost some footage. So I kind of made this video up and it's got some footage missing and some footage that I managed to save somewhere else, luckily. And I had to get new software, so I don't know if you've realised, but my videos have been a bit different because I'm using same software but an upgrade, if you will. I believe it's called Sony Vegas Movie Studio 16. I used to have the Sony Vegas Pro, but it was not very good copy. But this one's a much better copy and it's much easier to use, so I'm quite happy. I'm hoping to make some changes to my videos, so please leave a comment in the comment section below with any sort of tips on how to make my videos better. And please like and subscribe. So I will let this video play. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, an update of what's going down. I've sprayed all these aluminium with the very toxic paint I've got, which has got acid in it. I've sprayed all this aluminium as well. I'm in the process of attaching the wires. As you can see there, I've attached some. These don't come with the kit, I'm doing these myself. I've sprayed all this aluminium, haven't sprayed this yet, but it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I'm going to crack on doing the wires. I'm not going to film it. I might film when I do the top ones because it's a very laborious task and a lot of swearing involved. Also put this together. What I'm going to do is do a bit of rusting because it says that it has to be rust, and I've looked at reference pictures and they did all that rust. So got your MIG pigment fix. One brush. I have sprayed this a standard rust primer on the roof. tip. That's why you do it on a bit of card. As you can see, I've been a bit busy. done the fan at the back. I'm quite happy with that. My little wiring from there to there. Now what I'm going to do is attach the wheels, well, brakes should I say. Bit difficult because I've got paint all over the disc brakes. How good is it? I'll do this one. I'll try and do it more. You can see. There you go. What I'm doing now, I'm just adding a little bit of standard rust, sparkly rust effect, using the wash here. And what I'm doing is I'm just putting it around the edges. Also where little bolts and that are. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to use the light rust. Just going over the top secret bolts here. Pigment will soak it all up anyway. so that pretty much brings us to the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to put up some pictures of the bits I sadly lost. Yeah, I sadly lost the videos of making and doing and painting these bits. I am truly gutted. Not only for you, but for me. But yeah, I did take some pictures, and the pictures did come out very lovely, as you can see. I am sorry, due to circumstances, or my computer dying on me, you missed me making all these bits, especially the blue bit. I do love that blue. Anyway, so please like and subscribe, and join me next time, and hopefully we won't have no hiccups.